Grass-fed steak is delicious and easy to cook. Here are 3 ways to cook a New York strip steak, courtesy of Crowd Cow. First, a basic seared steak. All you need is salt, pepper, and a cooking fat of choice. Season the steak liberally, yet lovingly on both sides. Good steak. Then, add your cooking fat to a super hot pan. We went with grass-fed ghee because it has a high smoke point, so you probably won't set off your fire alarm, and it tastes like butter, so win-win. You can cook it on each side for however long you like, but we like medium rare, so we went about 4 minutes per side. The thing is, you don't want to move it around until it's ready to flip. You want your steak to develop a nice, flavorful crust. Then, when it's done, just take it out and let it rest. That's it. Seriously. Slice it up and bask in all of that beefy goodness. We're going to take a look in here just to see, and oh yeah, beautiful. That's a nice medium rare. Next, you'll whip up a rosemary coffee marinade for your steak. It sounds bougie, but it's really easy. Just brew some coffee and add a few sprigs of rosemary while it's hot. Marinate your now caffeinated steak for at least an hour, then pat it dry. You're going to sear it in a super hot skillet, just like we did with the basic salt and pepper steak. Ghee, steak, flip, done. Season to taste. Throw some rosemary for garnish because you're fancy, and let's take a look inside. Check out that color. Next, herby, flavorful chimichurri tastes incredible with steak. We're using basil, mint, and lemon juice. We're also using brain octane oil, which is C8 MCT oil and a totally easy way to get more quality fats in your diet. Add some salt, then blend it all up. Back to steak. Season your steak with salt and pepper, and then sear it up, flip, sear it again, and then let it rest before you pour the chimichurri on top. Resist the urge to lick your screen. This is such an explosion of flavor, and it's really easy to do on a weeknight. Grass-fed steak is different than grain-fed steak. It's leaner, higher in quality fats, and it tastes pretty incredible. We hope you're inspired to try one of these recipes. Thanks to our friends at Crowd Cow for dinner. To learn more and find even more recipes, head over to bulletproof.com.